Quite challenging today because this was my first time here and racing here. The sand it was more challenging to me because kwenye tuna train it's not that sandy. Yeah. And the heat also as well because I train a lot in Limuru. The altitude there is quite high and huko hakuna jua sana vile, but it has been a great event.
The course was great, well marked, and had lots of sandy sections, which was a challenge to the riders, and also the heat, which causes lots of dehydration.
The race was tough, really tough. Low altitude affected me, short of breathiness, yeah, sand, there was a lot of sand.
Wameongeza mlima mpya ndefu, so we survived until there, and then flat tire mechanical started, but by then the race was split. There was only very few people in front, so it was okay. But tactically to the end they lost position, so we managed to get a second, and then a fourth and a fifth and a sixth. Yeah, so we lost first and third.